How to enable floating Windows mode for apps on your Huawei Nova 9 SE phone. All right, so in order to get this activated, here's what you'll do. Let's say you have an app open already and you tap on the recents option here, and every app you have open and currently viewing in the recents view mode here, you'll notice this icon right up there to the top right. And keep in mind, not every app has this feature, but the ones that does will have this icon right there to the top right. And when you select it like that, it's going to enter into this window, smaller window view mode here, where you can do a few things with it. One, you can adjust from the corners here, the size of it. And you can, of course, hold down this tab right here and move it around. Okay, you'll notice this little split screen thing option shows up here. So some apps that can enter into split screen mode, if you hold it down while in this floating window mode here like that, you can bring it to the top area here. And when you release it, it will enter into split screen mode, but this app doesn't support it. Also, you can choose to expand it with the icon to the very top left here. That'll bring it back into full screen mode. And also, and I'm saying also a lot, while in this view mode here like that, let's say we're in another app in full screen mode, we can navigate the app in full screen mode, and also we can move this around here and also navigate the app that's in floating Windows mode. Okay, so pretty cool feature. I think every phone should have it. I noticed a lot of Android phones as they come out, they're starting to include this feature. I think they should start including it on more apps and not just some apps. But that's that. So if you want to quickly exit it out, you can just press the X right here, and that'll close out the floating Windows mode. And that's that. Like, sub. Thanks for watching.